Welcome to Newchoice. Today we are going to learn Hindi okay matra words with English meanings in a very easy way. Corn, who, kawa, crow, cow shell, skill, daud, race or run. Daudna, to run. Daulat, wealth. Now, nine. Nauka, bought. Naukar, servant. Naujawan, young person. Paudha, plant. Paushtik, nutritious. Mauj, fun. Maul, silence. Mauka, opportunity. Mausam, weather. Chauk, square. Chaukidar, watchman. Kauduk, curiosity. Kaudi, small coin. Chaukasi, alertness. Maukik, oral. Naubit, situation or occasion. Maulik, original. Chaudha, fourth. Chauda, wide. Chaudai, width. Chauda, 14. Chaubis, 24. Chaukana, alert. Let's use these words in sentences. आज मौसम अच्छा है. Today the weather is good. कौवा पेड़ पर बैठा है. The crow is sitting on the tree. मुझे एक अच्छा मौका मिला. I got a good opportunity. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है. He runs very fast. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to Newchoice online classroom. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Bye.